So, Pixel 10 leak bomb just dropped. Google's upcoming flagship is getting closer to launch, and the leaks, they're not slowing down, they're getting better. Today's leak is a double dose. We're finally seeing the clearest, watermark-free renders of the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro XL, plus we've got our hands on the first real details about the software upgrades coming to the lineup. Now, up until now, most of the Pixel 10 leaks were grainy, low-res, or ruined by watermarks. But the new high-quality images courtesy of WinFuture give us a crisp look at the Pixel 10 Pro XL in two color options, and the much-hyped Indigo Pixel 10, which already has fans excited. But while the hardware looks solid, the real story here is the software. Google is betting big on AI once again, and this year, it's rolling out a feature called Camera Coach, powered by Gemini AI. It acts like a smart assistant for your photos. Camera Coach will analyze your scene in real time and offer suggestions like shifting your angle, tweaking the lighting, or reframing the subject, all while you're trying to snap the perfect shot. If it works as fast as Google claims, it could be a total game changer, but if it lags or stutters, it's probably dead on arrival. We still don't know how snappy it'll be, but the potential is huge. And for anyone who's followed Pixel devices over the years, you know Google has always leaned hard into computational photography. This time, it's going all in. Interestingly, even the base Pixel 10 is rumored to come with a telephoto camera, something we usually only see in Pro models. But here's the catch. Some of the camera sensors on the Pixel 10 series seem smaller than expected. Still, thanks to Google's next-level image processing, even those tiny sensors might surprise us. We've already leaked some key specs recently, and yes, the hardware might not look groundbreaking on paper, but Google's software often works magic. As for the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL, it looks like Google is sticking with mostly the same camera sensors as last year. That's not necessarily bad. Last year's cameras were solid, though some critics felt the images were a little overprocessed and too AI-heavy. With the introduction of Camera Coach, we're hoping Google fine-tunes the balance this time around. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.